Today, we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 136, single number. It is an easy problem. Here, we are given a non-empty array of integers, nums. Every element appears twice, except for one. We have to find that single element which is appearing once. So, we must implement a solution with linear time complexity, which means our time complexity should be order of n and use only constant extra space, which means our space complexity would be order of 1 or constant. So, for the first example, we are given nums with three elements in which 2 is appearing twice and 1 is only appearing once. So, we have to return 1. For the second example, here we have 1 and 2 appearing twice, so we are returning 4 here. And for the third example, we are given nums with a single element 1. So obviously, we have to return that element in this case, which is 1. If we see the code snippet here, we are basically given a class solution with a public method called single number, and it is of integer type, so we have to return that number, and we are given the vector nums, which is passed by reference here. So we can access it directly. If we see the hint here, the hint says think about the XOR operator's property. So using the XOR operator, we are going to solve this question. We are already given that it's a non-empty array of integers. Okay. So the XOR property will basically cancel out the duplicates and will result in the unique value. So for it, we are defining our integer result, which we will return at the end of the our function, and we are going to use a for loop on the values of the nums. So since we know that the nums is of integer type, we are using int val on nums, and then result XOR equal to value. And finally, we will return return result. So if we analyze the complexity, it is here order of n since it is running on each value of nums. If there are n values in nums, then the loop is running for n times.